But have you ever heard this question? Are you left-brained or right-brained? Do you know what are the different parts of your brain and what is lateralization?
The brain has three main parts. These parts are called the cerebrum, the cerebellum, and the brainstem. The cerebrum makes up the largest part of the brain. The cerebellum is underneath the back part of the cerebrum. The brainstem connects with the spinal cord at the bottom of the brain.
The brain is divided into two parts, the right brain and the left brain. The right brain controls the left side of your body. The left brain controls the right side of your body.
So lateralization refers to the dominance of one side of the brain, right side or left side, and to the dominance of one side of the body, such as right hand or left hand.
This means that in a right-handed individual, the left brain is the dominant hemisphere, and in a left-handed individual, the right brain is the dominant hemisphere.
We may say also that the right side of the brain controls the left eye, ear, and foot. Conversely, the left side of the brain controls the right eye, ear, and foot.
In order to validate this hypothesis, we are going to make a survey on the students in order to test their handedness. After that, we are going to make an experiment in order to test their dominance.
We made a questionnaire to test handedness. We distributed it over 1,267 students. We asked them a few questions about which hand do they prefer to use while performing certain tasks. And then we collected the results.
The results of the survey show that 1,145 students are right-handed and 122 are left-handed. The left primary motor cortices are usually stronger and more active than the right, and this is why most people are right-handed. But if the right one is stronger, then the person would be left-handed.
We made an experiment on 100 students to test their hand dominance, foot dominance, ear dominance, and eye dominance.
To test hand dominance, we asked the student to write her name on the board. To test foot dominance, we asked the student to step on the coin or to kick a ball. To test ear dominance, we asked the student to answer the phone. To test eye dominance, we asked the student to look through the tube by one eye.
It's not strange to find people who favor the opposite hand and foot. For example, right hand and left foot. And some people are lucky enough to be ambidextrous, meaning they can use the right and left sides with equal skill. The motor cortex is the area of the brain which issues order for body movement. The nerve impulses pass from the right cortex and travel into the brainstem along nerve fibers. Some of them cross at the level of medulla oblongata, while others cross at the level of the spinal cord. Therefore, impulses from the right side of the brain control the left side of the body and vice versa.
You know, some people believe that the hemispheric brain theory is nonsense. They believe that most people use both sides of their brain at all times, rather than using just one side of the brain at a time.
The theory says that the attention of the brain seems to be directed to one portion of the brain at a time because its size is usually larger at birth. So, because of the tendency to direct one's attention to the better developed region, in the normal human beings, one side becomes dominant over the